Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is EYESHADOW, and on this channel I teach makeup tutorials and I share vlog from time to time. Anyways, for this video I'm going to teach you how to achieve a bronzy eye look. You can use this look on a dark skin and on a light skin, but for this tutorial I'm using a light skin client. My client was gracious enough to let me film her session, and I'm more than grateful. You guys know when I share clients makeup tutorial, I like to make it real so that you can see how I interact and you can see generally how my makeup looks on a client, not just a model. Okay, so I'm not going to be talking throughout the video, but I'm going to be listing all the products as much as I can. I really want you to learn, and let me know what you pick from this video by the end of this video in the comment section. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well.
Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. So call it what you wanted, 'cause when I leave you like that, it's like every time I settle down I turn around and want what I had. I know that it's a gamble to put your heart in my hands, but if you give me just a little time, I'll show you something you never had, never had. Turn it off, can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it off, can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have. Turn it off, can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it 'cause when I leave you like that, it's like every time I settle down, I turn around and want what I had. I know that it's a gamble to put your heart in my hands, but if you give me just a little time, I'll show you something you never had, never had. Turn it on, I'm psychotic, but there you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional.
And that is all for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so don't stop here. I have other amazing tutorial for you to learn, so I will see you in the next video.